Hello, welcome back to Tells Hobbies. In this video I'm going to ballast my railway track. There's quite a few steps you need to do, preparation, to make sure the track's all secured, that your trains are running nicely, and you can also weather the track, which I've done the video on, and then you're ready to go with the ballast. So let's give it a go. So this is the ballast I'm going to be using. It's quite fine. It's got like a pinky tone to it, so I think it's going to look quite nice. I've also got this ballast here as well, which is quite good. I'm going to use this ballast in like the goods yard area. This is the glue I'm going to be using. So I've just put some masking tape all along here where the platform's going to go. That way the platform's not going to get all messy and I'll get a nice edge. Okay, so here's with the ballast all laid. It's not glued yet, so I need to glue it yet, but I just mixing it up a little bit with the different tones and textures. So it's been 48 hours now since I glued all the track down. It's all set now and gone quite hard. There's no loose bits now, and the trains are running really nicely on there. One of the things I've done was just gone over with a track rubber. This is the Gauge Master track rubber. And I've just gone all over the track, literally like this here. Just gone over the track. Just cleaning the track up, and yeah, and I've checked all the points are working, and yeah, it's running really nice. So what I'm going to do is just show you some close-up shots of the ballast, how it looks dried, and yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching and see you in the next one.